Okay, I'm back, and I need to apologize again. I'm making lots of mistakes tonight. Maybe it's too late. But anyway, I cut off the last transaction. Maybe 1.5 transactions I cut off at the bottom here. So I just wanted to show you the last transaction. I debited cash and credited accounts receivable. And I was saying that you could total and put totals down here at the bottom. If you'd add up, make sure your debits equal your credits. But anyway, this is difficult if you didn't learn your pluses and minuses. And that's why the previous video where I gave you the little helpful hints about the DEA and the CLR I thought was so valuable. Because once you see that, or you put that on your paper and you're reading the transactions, it helps a lot. So right now, I'm going to tell you 3 helpful hints that will help you write these a little bit faster. So I'm going to erase most of these right now. So I'm going to kind of destroy the journal. I'm going to leave the debit and credit column here though, and I'm going to write in it again for you. I'm doing my best. Okay. Whoops. Whoa. That wasn't good. But anyway, maybe you'll laugh a little bit. Okay, what I wanted, my 3 helpful hints. All right, I'm going to write it here. My first hint is whatever you purchase goes first. Goes first. That means write it first, which is going to be a debit. Now I'm going to give you an example. The exercise we just did on February the 3rd, or excuse me, I don't know what date it was the 3rd transaction. It said, purchase office supplies on account for $300. So, if I'm trying to decide which account is going to be the debit, I'm going to write first. All I have to do is, what did I just purchase? Office supplies. No matter what you're purchasing, you're going to write first, it's the debit. So I would write office supplies. And in the debit column, I would put the amount. And then I would credit whatever the other account. It's going to either be I paid cash for it, cash would go second, or if it's on account, it's going to be account payable. And this one was on account, so I'm going to put account payable. $300 credit. And that should be on the next line. Yeah, $300 credit. So a debit and a credit, debited office supplies, whatever you purchase goes first. No matter what it is. Equipment. If you're buying equipment for cash, equipment goes first. If you're buying an insurance policy, prepaid insurance goes first. The second helpful hint is whenever you receive cash, you're so happy. Yay! Cash goes first, which is a debit. So, I know it's kind of silly, but it works. Whenever the transaction says receive cash for a service performed, it's like, aren't you so glad to get money? Or don't you like to go to the mailbox and you have a check in the mail? Yay! So that's all you can think about. Cash is first. So in the exercise we just completed, we had a transaction that said, received cash for services rendered. Remember, she did an artwork. She painted a picture for a customer and received $400 cash. Yay! So the transaction would look like cash is the debit, first line, 400, and fees earned, or painting fees, or whatever you want to call it, it's a revenue, is second, which is the credit. 400 credit. Debit, credit, cash first, fees second. And the third, my goodness, I'm running out of room, but anyway, that was your first, your second, okay, is when you pay cash, boo. I mean, who likes to pay cash? Anyway, cash goes second. You're going to hold back. You know, like you go to the mailbox and you get your Visa bill in the mail or your phone bill. You go, oh, I'm going to wait a few days before I pay for it. So anyway, let's look at one of the transactions from the exercise we just did. It says paid cash on account. So we're going to pay, how much we're paying here? $50. Remember, she made a $50 payment. She's got to pay $50 on her Visa bill. Cash is second, so account payable is first. So this one would be account payable. $50 is the debit. Cash is the credit. Second. So debits are written first, credits are second. So no matter what you're paying, if it said paid rent, cash would be the second, credit, rent expense would be the debit. So these three helpful hints will get you through almost 90% of your transactions. So I just wanted to show you that quickly, and I'm sorry it's a little messy, but I hope you understand it. All right, thanks, and I'll come back and show you the rest of Chapter 4, which is posting. Bye for now.